Hi crafty friends. So this is 4 out of 4, my last tag, and it has a Halloween theme. And I went ahead and put the orange vellum on the cardboard tag, but I noticed that if I had a darker color the orange wouldn't be so bright, so I painted it black, and that's how it came out. And as I was playing, I felt that the background still needed some layering, so I started playing with some Tyvek. So I made this background. I'm going to put it like that, and I'm going to lay that over it like this. And the same thing with the doll and the dog. I wanted cobblestone background, and I think that came out really nice. I'll add the girl and the dog, and I did these little punch outs, so I thought I'd put that along the fence, and then have the saying, I'm thinking happy hauntings instead of happy Halloween. Also, I'd like to give you some tips on this Tyvek. I made some beads, and this right here is the Tyvek with some Angelina fibers, and I'll show you how I was able to get those to bond together. So on the next video, I hope you come back and you'll be able to see that. So I just wanted to let you know I'm going to use this soft gel to glue everything down. I think it works better than regular PVA glue. Okay, be right back. Well, I finished gluing it, and now I just have to wait for it to dry. This is how it turned out. So I finished the piece, it's all dry. I think it came out pretty nice. So I hope you come back. On my next video I'll be sharing how to make Tyvek beads and how to bond the Angelina fibers and the film and the Tyvek together. So have a great day. Stay crafty. Until the next video, Soto's Creative Corner, wishing you a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye for now.